Adventure Builder is a non-violent role-playing game for kids that is designed to facilitate growth in problem-solving, creativity, teamwork, critical thinking, and shared storytelling. It is the perfect way to enter into the world of role-playing games, and it's designed for the whole family to enjoy. In this game, each player assumes the role of a character they create. A guide will take the players through an adventure in a vibrant fantasy world. The guide uses cards to build an adventure, and players work together to overcome situations described on the cards. At its core, the gameplay of Adventure Builder follows 3 simple steps. Players pick a card. Players describe what their characters do to overcome the creature or encounter described on the card. The guide assigns a difficulty to those actions, and players roll dice against the difficulty to see if they are successful. When players are not embarking on adventures, they can explore the town of Florea. The guide's handbook contains dozens of encounters, activities, and puzzles the players might find in Florea. They can earn amazing rewards by testing their wits with Wazzle at the Puzzle House. Write a journal about their adventures to hang on the branches of the sentient tree Abukia. Go to the Colosseum to play games with Mello, or do some real-world homework to earn coins. Earning coins and buying items from Bardo at the equipment shop will allow characters to become more powerful and take on more challenging quests. This boxed set contains everything you need to play, including dice, tokens, rules, maps, pre-made adventures, and 94 creature, encounter, coin, and story cards, providing countless hours of replayability. Adventure Builder bridges education and gaming through shared storytelling experiences and is a must-have for any game-loving family.